Being a cook is not just a job, it's an art form. This profession or vocational calling necessitates a specific set of skills or competences that one must master over time. A chef, or culinary professional, is someone skilled in the art and science of food preparation. To initiate one's career as a cook, one usually begins by gaining basic knowledge and experience, often starting out in lower-level positions in kitchens. Cooks spend most of their time in kitchens, environments designed for preparing and cooking food. In these culinary workspaces, they are responsible for multiple tasks. First, they must understand the process of preparing dishes or getting meals ready. This includes everything from selecting ingredients to chopping and cooking them. These culinary creations are then served to diners or the people eating the meals. The role of a cook involves more than just making food. Creativity is also highly essential. A creative chef frequently experiments with different ingredients to craft unique dishes. Exploring with new ingredient combinations or methods can yield unexpected and delightful results that enhance the dining experience for guests or eaters. Attention to detail is crucial in the culinary arts. When a chef pays careful attention to the small parts or elements of a dish, they ensure that everything from taste to presentation meets high standards. This meticulousness contributes significantly to a restaurant's success, as a meal's appearance can be as important as its flavor. Efficient time management is another key skill for a chef. With many dishes to prepare and often tight schedules to meet, managing one's time effectively ensures that food is served swiftly and efficiently. These time management skills help in preventing delays and ensuring that every customer or diner has a pleasant dining experience. Furthermore, teamwork is vital in a kitchen. Cooks often work in teams, coordinating with other kitchen staff to ensure smooth operations. Collaboration or working cooperatively helps in managing the fast-paced environment of a professional kitchen. Every team member, from the dishwashers to the head chef, plays a significant role in the preparation and serving of meals. Safety and hygiene are also top priorities for a cook. Maintaining cleanliness in the kitchen and following health codes prevents contamination and ensures that the food served is safe to eat. This aspect of a chef's responsibility involves everything from washing hands frequently to keeping kitchen surfaces sanitized. In conclusion, the journey of a cook from a novice to a professional involves learning a myriad of skills, from the delicate art of seasoning to the practical necessities of kitchen safety. Aspiring chefs or culinary novices must embrace continuous learning and adaptation to thrive in their roles. Whether creating a simple home-cooked meal or a five-star dining experience, the principles of dedication, creativity, and precision remain the same. Embodying these characteristics not only enhances a cook's own talent, but enriches the culinary delight of those they serve.